Clap a clap on the Carolina skies, where the East Carolina Pirates rise. Crazy fans paint the jungle wild, with dreams of Omaha in every mile. Coach Leclerc's dream, a national crown, purple and gold run this town. Cannon fires for each home run, in the stadium where legends are spun. Cheer for the boys in purple and gold, stories of victory yet to be told. From Clark Leclerc to Omaha's fight, beneath these southern stars so bright. Family and friends in the bleachers loud, every win makes a mighty proud. Grilled up hot dogs and tales begun, memories glisten in the setting sun. From dawn till dusk, the played
All's better to see you with, my dear.
Hang around! Find it. Oh, just touch. Oh, shit. Yeah!